Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.
Hello again everyone, Truck CV Sales here with a tune-up report for Steven, Nevada. A truckerized tune-up report on the Stryker 447 HPC2. Steve, I got it ready to go for you, bud. Truckerized tune is the tune alignment for this one. Voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic capacitor upgrade, wideband transmit and receive, ERF 2030 plus MOSFET upgrade to the radio. And man, this thing's rocking and rolling. So I got your echo set. I do have the monitor radio on. Let's see, pull it up here. Got the monitor radio on right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we do overdrive the SDR a little bit being right here, but just kind of wanted to show you. Let's start with the RF power all the way down. And I know you said you weren't going to use an amp, but we just wanted to show you here. 50 watt slug with it all the way down, okay? It's 2.5 watts. So if you did decide to sell it somewhere down the line, you could let them know that you could run your amp with it all the way up. Got you a good safe range here. 10 watts. I'll show you average power swing, and I am using your static 636 mic. Comes with the Truckerized tune. Hello. 50 watt slug in the corner. Let's go with a 250 watt slug in average. Hello. We got 70 birds, so man, this thing's doing a lot of bird. 250 watt slug in peak. Hello. And 120 peak. I'll roll it up here and let you hear what it sounds like. Now, keep in mind this is the SDR. It's right here on top of it, so we are overdriving it a little bit, but it's got a good sound. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got down. All right, my friend. There you go. I think you're going to enjoy it. Got a nice talk back on it too as well, okay? From your friend Truck at truckcvsales.com. You've been truckerized. Bump, bump.